What if you could generate voiceovers in your exact voice without ever recording again? Well, that's exactly what ElevenLabs allows you to do. You can now create a professional voice clone of yourself with just 10 to 15 minutes of audio. And once you've trained your clone with that 10 to 15 minutes of audio, now you'll have an unlimited supply of studio quality voiceovers on demand. So if you're a coach, consultant, or content creator that is tired of having to get their equipment out or re-recording small bits of audio, listen up. And I'm not here just to talk about the negatives, reshoots, taking out your equipment. No, just imagine how much content you could be really getting out as well. I mean, really think about it. You no longer have to be at your setup or your desk to record some voiceovers. You can now do it on the go. All you got to do is just type in what you want your clone to say, and you're all set and ready to go from there with professional sounding audio that sounds exactly like you. And you may be wondering, what are all the possibilities with this voice clone? Well, for starters, you could be pumping out a ton of short form content or long form content if that's your style to do with voiceovers. And you can also be sending out personalized outreach messages instead of, sending any old DM that your leads constantly see. And you can also sync this voice clone up to your HeyGen clone, and I'll get into that a little bit later. But for now, I'm going to jump over to ElevenLabs so you can get started on building your voice clone. So first things first, we're going to want to come over to ElevenLabs.io. And then we are going to come over and hit sign up. And from here, you're just going to create an account like usual. I already have an account, so I'm just going to come over to sign in and sign in with one of my accounts. All right, now that I'm logged in, you may be a little bit overwhelmed with everything that's going on here. There's a lot of buttons, a whole lot of stuff going on over here. But what we're going to do is just come to the bottom left over by our profile, click this little drop down menu, and then we're going to come over to subscriptions. Now you're looking at all these subscription options right now. You may be wondering, is getting a subscription a necessity? Unfortunately, it is. And the reason why I say it is because you're going to have to get the creator plan, but luckily it only starts you out at $11 a month for your first month if you're just trying it out. So pretty cheap. But the creator plan is a necessity because it gives you access to the professional voice clone, or PVC. And you may be wondering, what is the professional voice clone? Well, the professional voice clone allows you to create a voice that sounds exactly like you instead of something that kind of sounds like you. And really the only differences between these other subscription plans is the amount of credits that you are allowed every month. I mean, for example, you can see on the creator plan, you're allowed 100,000 credits a month, which is definitely enough for most people because that's around 100 minutes. And considering that, you could be pumping out 3 shorts a day that are around a minute long each, and then it gives you 10 minutes of error room if you screw up your voiceovers a bit. And then you can take a look at the pro plan. You're allowed 500,000 credits, which is around 500 minutes a month, which is definitely overkill for most people unless you're somebody like me that is playing around with ElevenLabs a ton. But the great thing about ElevenLabs is that your credits do roll over. So if you stop creating content for a bit, your credits are just going to be stacking up on each other month after month after month. And starting now, we're going to assume that you're on the creator plan because, like I said, that is a necessity when you are trying to move forward and create your voice clone. But you can see on this account right now, I don't have a subscription, but I will be hopping over to my other account that does have the creator subscription. So I'll be right back. All right, now that I'm on my other account, you can see I have the creator plan, and now we're going to head over to the voices tab, and then we're going to come over and hit my voices, and now come over to create a voice, and now you can see that you're allowed to create a professional voice clone. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to come over and hit create new clone. Then we can skip past this, hit create new clone again. Now you're going to see you have a few things to fill out, your voice name. So I'll just name this my name, Brody. And then my language, I'll keep that English. Description, I will keep that blank. And then for my accent, I'll do US Midwest. And now you're gonna be training your clone with some audio. So ElevenLabs recommends to do about an hour to 2 hours of audio, but what I've noticed is that that is just complete BS. You do not need 2 hours. I've tried it, wasted a ton of time. All you need is 10 to 15 minutes of some solid, confident audio. And what I mean by confident is talk how you talk on camera. Because assuming you're gonna be posting content with these voiceovers, you're gonna wanna use the voice that you use on camera instead of how you casually talk in conversations. And don't worry about making any mistakes. I've made plenty of mistakes in my audio and I haven't had any problems. And for equipment, I recommend using some sort of USB mic at least, or you could also use your iPhone mic, but I would recommend at least a USB mic. And of course, a quiet room that doesn't echo as much. And then once I'm done recording my audio, I tend to come over to podcast.adobe.com, and then I come over to enhance speech, and then I'll drop my audio into here. And then if there was any background noise, I can just drain it out completely and then also enhance my speech a bit. And then once I'm all set there, I can come over and hit download, and then I'm all set and ready to go to drop this into ElevenLabs. And that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. So as you can see right now, it's being uploaded. It's taking a little bit of time, should be real quick. But while we're waiting, we can see that ElevenLabs recommends 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. But again, all you need is around 10 to 15 minutes. All right, it's all uploaded and ready to go. So we're going to come over and hit next. And of course, it's going to say that we recommend 30 minutes. But again, you'll see it soon why we do not need 30 minutes. We just need 10 to 15 minutes. And now it's asking me to verify my voice because of course you can't just be using anybody's voice. And what it's going to do, it's going to ask you to read off a unique sentence. It should take really just 5 seconds. You should be just ready to go. So I'm going to take care of this real quick. All right, I'm all set and ready to go. It says your professional voice clone is being prepared, and it says it'll take 2 to 6 hours, but considering we only have 10 to 15 minutes of audio, it's not going to take that long. Realistically, it should take around 20 minutes. So we're going to come over, hit finish, and return to dashboard. All right, now that we're back at the dashboard, you can see you have your voice right here. And one thing I definitely want to say, when you're hovering over your voice, you see all these different fine-tuned models, but you're only going to be using one of these mainly. It's multilingual V2. So you're going to want to click to start fine-tuning this right here. So this process should take around 20 minutes, but I'm not going to wait that 20 minutes because I already have my multilingual V2 all set and ready to go on a different account. So I'm going to jump over there right now. All right, now that we're on my other account, we're going to check out my voice real quick. You are the hero in your own story. Okay, in my opinion, that sounds exactly like me, and I think I know myself pretty damn well. But now let's actually use our voice with the script that we created. So let's come over to text to speech, and then let's copy and paste. Any script will do. So let's just take this one that I got straight from ChatGPT. Let's copy it, paste it into here. All right, now that we have our script into here, you're gonna wanna change your voice to your voice. And then you see all these options down here. You got speed, stability, similarity, style exaggeration. And I personally have never had to once play with speed or similarity. I just keep similarity at 75% and then speed at 1. But stability, I like to switch in between 65 and 75. I'll stick at 70 right now. And then for style exaggeration, I go anywhere in between 10 to 15. I'll keep it at 12 where it was. And now we can come over and hit generate speech. Imagine never recording your voice again. With ElevenLabs, you can clone your voice in just 15 minutes of audio. Once trained, you'll have a studio quality version of yourself that can read scripts, narrate videos, or even speak in other languages. It's fast, it's realistic, and it's changing the future of content. Okay, that sounds exactly like me. I mean, I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comments if that doesn't sound like me, but like I said before, I think I know myself pretty well, and that sounds pretty good. But a few things I do want to say, you know, you may have some screw ups with your audio, so you can definitely play around with these settings. I tend to up the stability if things are being mispronounced, or I'll just type in words differently. Like certain words I mentioned in my past video, like the word AI gets mispronounced a lot, so I tend to put AI in different ways. Like I'll put it lowercase, I'll even type in AI like AI, and it'll pronounce it a different way. So there's definitely things you can play around with in ElevenLabs. For style exaggeration, like I said, definitely wouldn't go anything above 15. I would just play like if it's kind of like a dead audio, really monotone. Just up the style exaggeration just up 2%, up 3% or something like that, and then you can just go from there. But also, I wouldn't make scripts that are anything longer than like 25 seconds because it's really difficult to troubleshoot something that's like super long. Like if you have a 2-minute script, it's gonna be very difficult to make everything perfect. And if you're looking for how long your script is, you can see at the bottom right, it says 16 seconds right here. But you know, sometimes you may not have to adjust anything. You may just have to regenerate your speech one time and then it'll be perfect. But yeah, if you think your voice sounds great, you can just come over to the bottom right and download your voiceover. And that's how simple it is. So now you can see that you can create as many voiceovers as you want and you can create a ton of content, but there's actually a bigger side to this. And what that is actually using ElevenLabs and HeyGen. And you may be wondering, like, what is HeyGen? HeyGen is the visual aspect of your clone. So what you can do is take your voice clone from ElevenLabs and take your visual clone from HeyGen and put them together to create your own personal content clone. So you're actually building a relationship. Instead of just using voiceovers, your audience is actually seeing your face. And I explained the process on how to connect your ElevenLabs to your HeyGen clone very well in my past video. I'll link it in the description. But if you're not interested in playing around with ElevenLabs or HeyGen and you just want your content ran on autopilot, that's actually what my team and I do. So we handle the scripting, video editing, recording, posting all for you. So you can have daily content being pumped out so you're getting in front of more people's faces and you're building trust with your leads. And my team and I are actually offering to create a video for you using your clone with your voice and your visual. Completely free, no strings attached. All you gotta do is just click the link in my description so we can hop on a call and start building your clone. But yeah, whether you're looking to create your visual and voice clone yourself or you're looking to work with us, I wish you all the best.